Hi guys, on this one I'm going to be fitting some low carbon downlights, recessed downlights. This is the lights in the front room which I've got at the moment. These are side lights, are more decorative and they're not bright at all. And that's the main light there for the front room. That's not very bright at night, so I'm going to add some downlights, one there and one here. I've done the measurements, and also be aware of the joists. The joists are here, and I've got to make sure that the lights go between the joists and not under the joists. So first thing I've got to do is get the carpet up from the room above. So I'll just pull back the carpet and the underline in there. I've done my measurements. I know where about I'm going to be cutting. So here I'm going to have to cut a couple of the floorboards out so I can access the underneath the joist. So I'll just cut this section out here. And I'm just going to back up the mess here. And then I'm just going to remove this section of one of the floorboards so I can gain access. And one of the lights will be directly under here. And these are the lights I'm using. They're low voltage. Well, when I say low voltage, they're 12 watts, but it's 240 volts down to 13. And there's 12 watts, there's 12 bulbs in here. And they're cool white. And it's got their own separate little transformers here, I'll show you. That's the spec on the transformer there. It goes from 240 volts down to 13. And I've got to drill a hole. I've measured the actual light, the recess size, and this is the bit I've got, and I've knocked this little thing up here just to catch most of the dust on the ceiling. And as you can see here, I've marked the hole there in yellow, as you can see. So all I'm going to do is I've got the Hoover running at the same time, which should catch some of the dust. So I'm just going to make a hole here. Obviously I'm going to do 4 holes, and I've measured them so they, like I said, so they avoid the joists. It's a top view of where I'm drilling. Quite a bit messy this is, but I've caught most of the dust. And what I've done, I've connected the wiring to a bit of plastic just to reach underneath the floorboard to reach the other hole. I'm not going to take up all of the floorboards, just take up 2 sections. That's the other joist I've taken up here. And downstairs I've put the wires through, and all I've got to do now at this moment is connect the lights up to them. So I'll just connect the transformers first. Blue to brown, blue to blue and brown to brown. There's no earth on these. And there is connected there, so all I've got to do is just put some black tape over this connection here. And then just tuck that into the ceiling. And then all I've got to do is connect the actual light itself and tuck that in. Just give you a top view of what I'm doing here. Just tuck the transformer out the way and then just fit the light in. Just make sure the transformer's not sitting on top of the light or anything else. And that's in. And that's the light in there. And I've done this on all 4, and they're all in place now. So all I've got to do now is put the flooring back, just screw the floorboard back down and fix the carpet. And all the lights are connected now. I've not connected to the existing lighting. I've connected it to a smart plug, Wi-Fi smart plug, which makes it voice control via Alexa. Because there's only two switches in this room. That's the switches there for the side light and for the main light. Let me just show you. That's the main light and that's the side light. So I've connected it to a Alexa device, and I'll just show you a demonstration here. Alexa, room light on.
Okay.
And as you can see, the lights are now voice controlled. And just turn them off. Alexa, room light off.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.